can see that many digital planners are for sale on Etsy. Most of them come with mock-up videos that show buyers exactly what they're likely to get on the inside. Take a look at this example. This seller has made $3,744. A video goes a long way in helping increase product visibility and conversions. Let's check another one. This seller has made $54,291 in about 12 months. So you can see that when you upload mock-up videos showing people what's inside your digital product, it really goes a long way in increasing your sales. Here's a simple example. This is a student planner. The video is very basic, just one animated image, but it's effective. Let's look at the sales, $1,377. That's not bad at all. Now let's go back to Canva. I've already created a video, and I'll drop the link in the description box so you can use it to create your own. As you can see, I've already set up the pages for the video. All you need to do is go to Canva and click on Create a Design. You can select landscape video or mobile video. For this tutorial, I'm using mobile video because I plan to post it on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and similar platforms. I've created several pages already. The first page is blank. You can change the background color. In this one, I've already set up a color palette I like. Let me pick this one. Yes, I prefer this. The blank first page helps create a pop-up effect for when your product appears. On this first page, go to Elements and search for Mockup. I'm using an iPad Mockup here. Now go to Frames, where you'll find different screen templates like tablets, laptops, and mobile phones. These frames allow you to insert your image directly. Just hover over the frame and your image will snap into place. This is the front page of my digital planner. A 55-page product that I created and want to sell. I'll drop another video soon on how to create an editable planner in Canva. So now I've turned the first page into an image, and I'm using it in this video to create a mock-up for selling on Gumroad and Etsy. On this page, I haven't added a transition yet. I only animated the image. I use the pop animation from the animate menu, but there are many great options. You can use any animation you like. On the third page, I inserted another frame and image. You can add a page or insert a transition by hovering between two pages and clicking on the plus icon. I moved the frame to the top left and added a text box. Ideally, your text should be short and impactful, but feel free to customize based on your content. The goal is to show people what they'll get when they purchase the product. The transition here is match and move, which flows nicely. On the fourth page, I placed the frame at the bottom right, added some text, and animated the image and text again. The transition is also match and move. Customizing pages, timing, and animation. You can add as many pages and transitions as you want. Hover between pages to add new ones, or duplicate pages if needed. You can also reduce or increase the timing per page, depending on how fast you want the video to move. Let's go back to the video preview. It looks good so far. On page 5, I placed the frame halfway down and added text. You can animate the text by selecting it and choosing an animation. Here I used drift. You can adjust the entry-exit direction, speed, and intensity. For example, I use drift from right for one image and drift from left for another, creating dynamic motion on screen. I use the flow transition between these pages to match the drift effect. On page 7, I grouped 3 images and animated just one of them. I used the blur animation, but you can use any type you prefer. The next page features the Shake plus Zoom animation. Again, you can increase or decrease the speed, apply it on entry or exit, and customize it however you like. The final page is my call to action. I inserted a screenshot of my Gumroad shop where people can go and buy the digital planner. I'll also include the link in the description box. This product comes with free digital stickers, which you can download for personal or commercial use. So this image is just a screenshot that I dropped into the final slide. After that, I added a blank end page for a clean finish. Once your video is ready, go to Canva's audio section to add background music. Canva has copyright-free music, especially if you're on the Pro plan. You can adjust the volume, fade in, fade out, and choose a song that fits your video. If you're uploading to TikTok, you can also use trending music on that platform to boost visibility. When done, click Download. If you're on the Pro plan, you can download in 4K resolution. I'll share the Canva template link in the description so you can explore the setup, change transitions, edit text, or replace mock-up frames as needed. This is a short mobile video format that's perfect for TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, and Facebook. It helps more people see your product and can increase your chances of making a sale. Extra resources plus freebies. I'll also link my Gumroad page where you can download the free sticker pack. You can enter any amount, but it's free by default. Once downloaded, you'll get a link with all the files. The digital planner featured in this video is the same one I'm selling. It has 55 pages, and I plan to release a 200-page version in my next video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It lets the YouTube algorithm know you found this helpful, and it helps more people discover it too, and it's free. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.